In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell music on Wix, using their website tutorial to guide you through each step of the process. If you're an independent musician or running a music label, having a solid online platform to showcase and sell your music is key. And Wix makes it incredibly easy to do just that. So, let's dive right into it. To begin, the first thing you need to do is go to the Wix website editor. You can log into your account and access the specific site where you want to sell your music. If you're not already familiar with the editor, don't worry. It's user-friendly, with a clean interface designed to help you customize your site effectively. Once you're in the editor, your next step will be to click on Add Apps. This is found on the menu, usually on the left-hand side. The Wix App Market is a fantastic resource where you can find a variety of tools to enhance your website's functionality. In this case, we're interested in the music-related options. Type Wix Music in the search bar. Wix Music is a powerful app designed specifically with musicians in mind, allowing you to upload, manage, and sell your music directly from your site. Look for the Wix Music app in the search results and click on it. This app will be the backbone of your online music store, so it's important that you locate and select the correct one. After clicking on Wix Music, you'll see an option to Add to Site. Click this button. By doing so, you're integrating this app with your Wix website, enabling you to start managing your music repertoire directly on your site itself. With the app added, click on Manage Your Music. This section is where the magic happens. It's your command center for organizing tracks, albums, and playlists. Here you can upload new music, edit existing metadata, and arrange your music just the way you prefer. This functionality is crucial for anyone serious about managing their music career from a digital standpoint. Next, click on Settings. Within Settings, you'll find several customization options that allow you to tailor the app to fit your specific needs. This might include setting prices for downloads, adjusting the layout to better fit your website's aesthetic, or connecting with different payment methods to ensure your transactions are smooth and secure. That's it! By following these instructions, you'll have successfully set up your Wix website to sell music. Remember, being able to sell your music effectively online is not only about setting up an app, it's about curating your presence and keeping your catalog updated. Now you can present your music to the world professionally and efficiently, all while managing your career from one central hub. Enjoy your journey as you share your sounds with the world.